métro, boulot, dodo, bivouac, dune, moto, arrivé tard, quoi. Truc classique. Rien de particulier, franchement.
Et après pour cette journée?
Tant qu'on peut l'être. J'arrive toujours pas à ouvrir les yeux, mais ça va être une bonne journée.
J'ai fait une liste de waypoints pour que le pilote il a la repère pour si jamais il doit chercher un waypoint. Il faut pas dire à les autres, hein. Ça c'est une exclusive pour nous.
Ready for the day. Will be 400 kilometers of road, and then we arrive to the border of Mauritania, cross that, and then just after that we just have a very short special, only 150 kilometers. So yeah, looking forward to it. Not the longest day, but it will be a long day on the bike anyway. So yeah, looking forward to see how is Mauritanian dirt.
Boom, nice face. Ooh, all the sand. And I stay like this. I was sleeping.
Yeah, alright, get some suntan. All the sun coming out.
Ready for today. Today a long day. Hasta Mauritania.
La liste de waypoints. En rouge, le waypoint de la flèche. En noir, le waypoint.
Didn't work in my favor. Luckily we have enough horsepower, so trying to work hard today to lose a little bit of weight to be fit for the last couple of days.
Quite seriously, how many layers have you got on?
No, it's just the suit, and under is my normal race stuff.
So, sorry, say that again if you can. So, yeah.
I just have the suit on, and underneath is just my normal race gear. So it's like a ski suit, and yeah, to look a bit cooler. The Tulum burger did the work.
Hey.
Rest day was a
I
bit.
feel more traction. But hey, good that we were having that suit, huh? It was cold, huh?
Yeah. I put the suit and I was not warm.
Yeah, not warmer than when we start from Tanger, huh?
Yeah.
Morocco. Always a
Surprise.
new experience.
J'ai ma fourche qui finit encore.
Bon, petit arrêt au stand là. Hier il y avait des bâtons de fourche qui fuyaient, les gens spi qui étaient morts. Ils ont changé, mais peut-être que le tube est rayé, donc on a. Du coup, ils me rechangent encore. Et là ils mettent carrément un tube neuf, un fourreau neuf. Donc, et ce qui est hallucinant, c'est ils font 4 ou 5, ils vont faire ça en moins de 3 ou 4 minutes. Il y a vraiment une organisation de dingue quoi. Donc c'est top, trop bien.
3, 4. Complètement l'opposé là. Encore.
Là je serai bon.
C'est des projets de laine pour le bras.
Vas-y.
on est arrivé en Mauritanie. Dans 51 km, on est au départ de la spéciale. On va rejoindre les copains. Et je vais poser Thomas.
Good day. Also one little problem with Stella, but okay. Tomorrow full gas in the 415 kilometers.
I started first, so first ever stage opening in the eco race. It was quite hard to find the way. There was a couple, well, it was nothing to do basically, but there was a couple little sand steps, so it was quite, you had to be concentrated, let's say. Nothing really happened. Jean-Loup caught me and we ride together to the finish. Some cool helicopter shots and some wheelie attempts that failed, and good starting position for tomorrow. So.
Me, I started 12 today, happy to be in Mauritania because this is the start of the real adventure. Now quite different, a lot of sand, much more off-road track, and as Kevin said and Antonio, it was very fast, 150 many times during the day, and quite dangerous also because this is off-road, so you have to take care of some danger. But everybody is here, and so we enjoy, and tomorrow we'll start, the next 4 days will be difficult, and it will be the right time to make the difference. So.
Today was kind of quick and short, nice liaison, and then a quick stage for us. We had a crash, so we had to take care of Jill. Now he's on his way with the ambulance, but he's happy, he's smiling, just a little bruised leg. Everything's gonna be okay. Bikes did well, the team was amazing as always, so such a pleasure being here.
Ça va, on a fait le gros du boulot à la journée de repos hier. Donc là c'est vraiment le retravail de base qu'on fait tous les jours. Donc contrôle de l'embrayage, la vidange ce soir. Et bien nettoyer pour les journées de sable qui arrivent demain. Stage 6, we enter in Mauritania later this morning, and first stage win for myself. I enjoy really riding this stage. It was a fast stage, it was a short one. I started to learn the rally and the road book and the strategy, so all the guys were having a strategy, and like the motocross guys say, I pin it to make it good. So tomorrow I will open one of the longest stage in Mauritania, one of the hardest one. I'm here to have fun, I'm here to learn, so no pressure. I'm gonna do what I know and ready to learn, and with a few positive or negative. I'm not sure, but I believe it's only going to be positive. And tomorrow 7:45 start to open a nice journey.